Hello, today we'll be drawing a pizza. We're going to start with the triangle slice of the pizza. We're going to go from this point all the way down to the paper down here. After you have that line, we're going to go back up all the way to here. Steady line. Up. And then to draw the crust, we're going to draw a circle right here. And then 2 lines to the other side. And another line on top. And then we're going to end up right around there. Once you get to that point, we're just going to add a curve to connect the two. And this is the start of our pizza. And then for the inside details, we're going to add a little bit of depth by adding a side line right here. And this should make our pizza look a little thicker. Now let's start with adding some ingredients. We're going to do a pepperoni on the top. The side. Maybe one over here. Avoid the middle because we're going to add a cute face after. Let's add some other shapes for other ingredients. This could be like a onion or bell pepper. Some more shapes here. Maybe we could do a mushroom right here. So we're going to add the bottom of the mushroom. And then let's do the top. Like so. And then just separate the cap from the stem. Add a little bit more ingredients. There we are. This area is missing something, so I'm just going to add one more. Now let's draw a cute face. Let's start with a circle right here for one of the eyes. And we're going to do the same on the other side. These are not pepperoni, so they could be a little smaller. And let's draw a cute little smile right here. And then let's do the highlights. One medium circle. And then one small circle below. Same thing on the other side. Medium circle. And small circle. Once those are done, let's color in the eyes real quick. Let's add a little bit more detail, maybe right here. And then let's finish off the crust with some lines. So draw a line down from here and one on the side, and then a line like that to complete it. Same thing here. Complete. Let's do 2 more of these. Complete. Last one. Complete, and let's add some dots. Because the crust would have some flour and some texture. And let's add a circle right here And we're done. That's your perfect drawing of a cute pizza slice. Now let's add a little bit of color. And there we are. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe for more tutorials weekly.